Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am here to finally do my binder video for you guys. It seems like a lot of you guys wanted me to do one, and so I figured since I haven't did one in a minute, like it's been a while, probably last year sometime, I figured why not. And y'all, I am loving my mini binders. But if you're new here, definitely subscribe. Definitely smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to make sure that your post notifications are on as well so you never miss out a video. So finally doing my much requested binder video for you guys. Let's do a thumbnail. I've had these binders here for a long time. All right, I have two. I've always pretty much had two. This was my non-food binder. It has a strap, and I always like the convenience of it having a strap. And then this little one right here is my food binder. Now, I still have the food binder. I haven't really decided if I want to put these coupons into one of my other binders. Probably the red one, but the red one's already pretty full. So I'm debating if I want to get a third binder. All right, I will link these for you guys in my description. I got them on Amazon. They cost me $17, $18. And of course, we're using our Amazon Alexa balance for that. So my couponing deals and rebates are paying for this. This is something that I add to my supplies at the end of the month. So I do track my spending for this kind of stuff as well. I also get my ink on there too. And so with the binders, so basically what I did is I divided this one binder into these two mini binders. All right, and so, and I'll probably have to do an up close of how I categorize mine. And so for starters, the mini binder, it comes in, I want to say maybe 5 or 6 different colors. I got black and I got red. It comes with, I don't know how many sleeves it already comes with, but it comes with a nice amount of sleeves already. I actually ordered a pack because I didn't know how many it came with, and I just couldn't find where it said how many sleeves it actually came with. I think it said it was a 400 count pocket, and so I ordered a pack of sleeves, but ended up not needing them, so I returned those back to Amazon. But they do have 4 pockets. I'll come a little closer. They do have 4 pockets, and they do have double pockets, so they have pockets on both sides, which at first I was kind of like, I don't know. But I do like the fact that it does have pockets on each side, meaning it has a little pocket on this side, and then it has another pocket on this side. I like that because I can, when I file my coupons, especially the higher ones, I can actually put them on this side. So like, for example, like this is an example right here. So I have the higher ones here and here, but if I only used, if I were doing them like my other binder where I would put them double-sided and put the other ones backwards, I wouldn't be able to see the other ones because of this one. So it makes it easier that there is pockets on each side. So I do like that. And so as far as my binder, I got this idea from one of you guys that I bump into all the time using an index card. I put a piece of Scotch tape on the top to protect it, and I just write the category. So my first category is feminine high. I just put feminine high for feminine hygiene. And then I have body wash, and then I have hair care. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see it. Okay, then I have facial care, and then we have shaving, and then we have, what is that? Oh, that's shaving. And then we have deodorant, lotion, makeup, oral care. And then I still have a lot of extra sleeves in the back, all right, which I thought about taking out, but for now, I think I'm just gonna leave them in there. What else can I say about my binder? I absolutely love it though. Look at that. I absolutely love it to death, y'all. I love it. All right. As far as purging my binder, I purge it when my coupons are 2 weeks expired, just because at CVS you can use your coupons up to 2 weeks expired. So that's when I purge them. This one is a nice it's a nice size, but you can tell that I have more coupons filed at the bottom. So I think that's the only thing I have to do is kind of get in the hang of staggering how I file them, so that way it's more of an even distribution. And so that's probably one thing. What else? I do order 2 bundles every week of inserts, which is 20. And so obviously if you don't order inserts, or if you don't order inserts, you probably won't even need a binder like this, to be honest, unless you want to use it for different stores like Extra Care Bucks and CRTs or Registry Rewards, or you know what I mean. But for me, I do order inserts and I do print coupons as well, and I order IPs, and so this is something that's definitely useful for me. But if you don't order as many inserts or have as many coupons, you may not have that problem of that problem. All right, so I have more of an issue with this binder. Now, the way I decided to split my larger binder, this is all personal hygiene. It's beauty and personal hygiene products, period. This is the one I take with me pretty much when I go into the stores, because this is the items that we get the most, especially at CVS. This one right here is household. All right, my household is basically everything else that's not personal or beauty. All right, so this one is a little thicker and it's more uneven than that one is. And so with this one, it's like really warped. So I really have to do a better job with filing my my coupons. So like this one right here, this corner is the one that has fewer. See? So the red one, again, is my household binder, and household is everything that's not personal and beauty. All right, so this one starts off with paper goods. All right, then it goes into cleaning products. Actually, wait a minute. Paper goods, air freshener, cleaning products, that's laundry, first aid. First aid is like my hugest section, is first aid. First aid is like medicinal stuff, everything medicinal, creams, aspirin, pain relievers, anything of that sort, allergies, all of that goes here. Then pets is my last section, which is in the back. But this binder is by far a lot bigger than that one is, because mostly because of my the pharmaceutical section, or my first aid section, is because that section is so huge. But for the most part, you guys, I absolutely love these binders. Like, I absolutely love them. And it's funny because I bumped into one of you guys. I see you every single week. And she had her little binder, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love that. Like, love that. And I mean, I used to take my binders with me in the store all the time when I first started, but it just became more of a headache because a lot of times I didn't even need it. And so what I would do is, what I started doing is, I would just run back to the car if I needed a coupon. And so with this, I just take this one and it just fits right in my bag, and it's super easy, super convenient. And then I love that they have these straps. At first, I wasn't too happy about or excited about the strap, you guys, but I love that I can just grab them like this and I can just go. What else? Now, I've showed y'all this one before. This one I got from Walmart, and this is the one I carry with me all the time as well. This holds all of my coupons for that week. So whatever coupons that we're using that week, whether it be CVS or Walmart for me, all go in the first pocket here. And then I have all my CVS cards are all here. They're all numbered, and my Extra Care Bucks go in there. And then my CRTs. I do have rain checks, which y'all, I haven't gotten a rain check in forever, and I haven't used a rain check in forever. All right. What else is in here? I have expired IPs. I usually throw these away, y'all, but I started using them to write my deals on because it's paper. Like, why waste the paper, right? So I have that for scratch paper, and then that's it. But basically, yeah. And then every week, at the end of each week, I refile these coupons into my binders, and I put the ones for my new week. And so that's kind of how I do it. But I love this as well because this is what I have 100% all of the time, just because it's convenient for me to just put everything I need in here, and then I keep it moving. Other than that, you guys, I can't think of anything else to, as far as the binder. Like I said, it cost me 17, 18 bucks. I ordered it through Amazon using my Alexa balance for that. Like I said, I do still have the food binder, and I'm still kind of debating if I want to go ahead and just order a third binder for food, because I do really love the mini binders. But this is my food one. Let me just show you my food one really quick. So this is my food binder. It's not very big. It's not very thick. I haven't purchased one in probably a month, so a lot of these might actually be expired. But my categories for food, just to let you know, is bread, cereal, condiments, fruit, which we never have, meat, which we rarely ever have, and the one I do have is expired, which is for the impossible. Heat and serve, cans, which we never have anymore, vegetables we never have, rice and pasta, seasonings we never have. I do have some oils in here, and they're probably expired. What else? Snacks is probably my larger category. I put everything in snacks. Yogurt, I put just anything that's considered a snack to me, I put in snacks. And then dessert. And what I did with dessert is I kind of like moved all of my dessert into snacks because I feel like it could be a snack as well. And I was trying to kind of minimize my categories. And then fluids is just anything that's a fluid. So protein shakes, milk, orange juice, coffee, and such. And then that's the last category. So that's my food binder. Now, again, like I said, I'm debating if I want to get a third one or not. Because, like, low-key, I'm like, okay, well, why spend the extra 20 bucks if I really don't have to? But I feel like I don't really use, like, food coupons all that much, to be honest. So I don't know if it's really worth it for me to invest in a third binder just for food, because I feel like it wouldn't be utilized as much, or even like the sleeves in it wouldn't be utilized. I think it would only probably be like, maybe like I probably wouldn't even hit 50% capacity in it. So I don't even know if it would be worth it for me. Like, I'd rather spend that extra 20 bucks on more ink for printing coupons, if anything. And so other than that, you guys, if you guys have any other questions, definitely drop them in the comment section. If you have a mini binder, I would love to hear about it in the comments. What color do you have? Like, I really want to get an anime one, but I'm like, dude, I don't need a third one. But I low-key was thinking of getting one of the anime ones. They're so freaking cool. But other than that, you guys, I will leave it there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.